Alright, let's read it from the textbook. Alright, so for example number 6, we are asked to find an equation of a line through the point 2, negative 3 that is perpendicular to line L, that passes through the that's perpendicular to line L, that has the equation 4x plus y equals 3. Okay, so 4x plus y equals 3. So we're given a line L, which is 4x plus y equals 3. And we are told to write the equation, equation perpendicular to L that passes through the point P, which is 2, negative 3. Okay? Well, what do we know about perpendicular lines? They intersect at a 90-degree angle, but there's something about their equations that we should know. You guys are, yeah, let's try to be a little more formal though, okay? What's the fancy word that we use for that? It's reciprocal, but that's only half of it though. Opposite reciprocal. So slopes of, now you know that this symbol here means perpendicular, right? You know now. Slopes of perpendicular lines are, we could say, opposite reciprocals. I always forget. Is it reciprocal? Is it AL or OL? What do you guys think? We'll just abbreviate that. No, I think it's O. Google it. Is it A or O? Okay, somebody Google it real quick. Hurry, quickly. All right. It's important that we learn how to spell. I think it's A. It's not listed in your textbook, which I'm surprised that they don't. They just say flip it.
It's A.
Is it A? Okay. Boom. All right. So now what do we need to do first? We need to find the slope of L, right? So we need to find the slope of L, and that means that we're going to have to take this equation, which is 4x plus y equals 3, and we want to make it look like y equals mx plus b. How come? Well, because this is the slope. Okay? So you tell me what I do first. Subtract 4x from both sides. Good. I like what you're doing there. Sounds nice. I like it. Y is by itself already. Well, that's good. Alright, cool. I'm done, right? Nope. What did I do? I found the slope, and now how does that help me on the next portion of my task? I have to flip it and take the opposite. So that means that my slope for my next line, in other words, I'm going to write the equation of the line, which is y equals mx minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1, will have the slope of the negative reciprocal of negative 4. So what's the opposite reciprocal of negative 4? Positive 1 over 4. Now, if you guys can't remember that negative 4 is the same as negative 4 over 1. If I flip this, I get 1 over 4, and then the opposite of that would be positive. All right, now what was the point that they had to pass through? 2, negative 3, right? So this is x sub 1, y sub 1. Plug all that information into our formula and go from there. So y is equal to 1/4 times x minus x sub 1, which is 2, plus y sub 1, which is -3. So I'm just going to write -3. Push that through, and I get 1/4 x minus 2 is the same as 2 over 1. If I multiply -2 over 1 by 1/4, I get 2/4 minus 3. Now, I can reduce 2/4 to what? 1/2. So that becomes 1/2. Now, what can I change 3 over 1 to? Because I'm going to have to combine those terms. Huh? What I need to do is these are constants. So I've got a -1/2 and a -3 over 1, and I need to combine them somehow. So what do they need to have in common? Denominator. So now how can I write 3 over 1 to have a 2 at the bottom? 6 over 2. So I'm going to say 6 over 2. And then, ran out of room on my notebook. So then the next line would be y is equal to 1/4 x minus 7 over 2. Is that right? There's our answer. Boom. Any questions?